while running the tests, we have this variable called WebDriver, and we saw that the WebDriver is a class level variable which is accessed through multiple threads when we are running the tests in parallel. We chose this thread count to be 2 and the parallel to be methods. So we saw that we were getting some errors. So that was because our driver variable is a class level variable. It's a static variable, and it's not thread safe. So to make it a thread safe, we use a class called thread local. Here's an example. So for example, if we create a thread local class, and here if private static, we consider it as, we declare this as private static, and we're gonna use it in this class only because okay, thread local, and it's ATM. So ATM is kind of, you can consider ATM for money transactions, and it's we are like creating an object for this. Okay, and then we are doing the getters and setters for this. We're gonna get and set it. So public static string, because it's a string type, so it will return string. And we will, for example, we get money from an ATM, so we can return. So this will be returning something because we are getting something, right? So ATM dot get, right? And then we have to set also. So we deposit money into the ATM, which is string money, and so we have to set something, right? You have to give some value to set. So here we are giving string, same as okay, whatever we want to set. So here this is the data type. You notice this, I'm going to correlate later. So uh, we can use this also for removing this value after this deposit, and if you want to close the count, right? So then we have to remove this value. So we will correlate with this our thread local in WebDriver class. So here I will just keep it in parallel, right? So here, just a moment. Okay, this is a driver class, and I will keep it over here. Okay, so what we have done is we have made a similar variable here, private static, okay, thread local dr is equal to new thread local, and this is a WebDriver variable. Okay, so here we are doing getter. Here we define get money. Here we are doing get driver. So here return, we are returning dr dot get, this variable, right? Here we did ATM dot get, right? Similarly, then public static void set driver. Okay, so set driver is WebDriver driver reference. So we are setting anything that you want to set. So while we are setting, you can see that there is a, you need to enter some value, right, for the set method. So that's why I have given this value set, and that we are passing here in the WebDriver. Okay, we are setting it, and then finally here we did the close account. So ATM dot remove, here we will do dr dot remove. Okay, here dr dot set. Similarly, same fashion we are doing it. So now what we'll do is WebDriver is equal to new from driver. When driver is defined here, okay, it is assigned. Now we will set the driver value to this. So once you do this, what this will do is it will ensure that the driver is thread safe, because you are accessing this through a thread local variable, right? You're setting the driver through a thread local reference variable. So set driver we put it, and then get driver. Here it was driver dot get, but here we will put get driver too, because get driver is returning basically a driver, right? dr dot get. So wherever we have get driver, so there we will put get driver. Okay, and here first we set the driver, then we get the driver. Okay, here also get driver dot quit was there, so we are doing get driver, and then finally we will unload. Here it was driver is equal to null we were doing, right? Here we are doing the same thing using this. Now this is for this. Apart from this, we will also do the same in the home page test, and here also, we did driver dot get driver. This was initially we were doing it through driver variable, which was here, right? This one, driver dot driver. But now we are getting the driver, so we will do it. So we will notice that once we run the tests, we will not see any failure. So similarly for both the tests, I have done this driver dot get driver. Okay, and yeah, that's it.